ingredients for it. This is 2 tablespoons coffee powder, this is 2 tablespoons sugar, and this is water, and this we have hand blender. So let us begin with our recipe. So first you will take a pan. In that we will add 2 tablespoons of coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of water. Now we will beat it. Guys, I have beat it till this much and you can see there is a difference in the color. If you keep beating, there will be a difference in the color. The color will get lighter. So let us continue with the beating. Now guys, as you can see, this consistency, we need the consistency like this only. So guys, as you can see the consistency after beating, you can also check it by flipping it. When you flip the pan, the cream will not fall like this. Now, you will take one glass. In that glass, you will add 3 ice cubes. You can add ice cubes as per you want. Then we will add cold milk. Then we will take a spoon and add the dalgona cream. You see how fluffy it is. So guys, our dalgona coffee is ready. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye.